Hello friends, let us understand why you are building this website. That is very important because the simplest answer that you want to make money, but how will your site will be achieve will be able to achieve your ultimate goal? So this is the question you should ask. You know, what are the goals of your website? That is very important. You should have good conveying information, then generating a great business lead for the future marketing purpose, and sell the products or services online, or collecting the donations for the non-profit purpose. So what is your goal? You have to decide. Basically these are 3-4 categories. Ideally you should define the goal for each one of your pages. So basically it is very important to design the perfect goal for the pages. You know, it is to dissipate information, whether to collect email addresses, to subscribe newsletter, or something else. So that is, you know, every web page try to collect the newsletter or email addresses of the people who are coming, and they should frequently come time and again. That is also an important task. So after all, why are you going to build that website? That is also very important. So you also have to define what should be your conversion factor. Each time, you know, visitors click on what they want to click, and what conversion takes place. So where does that click to? Whether you want to buy your product or subscribe your mailing list, or whether you want them to download your app, or whether you want to read your blog post, or whether do you want the people to call you on phone. So what is all the conversion rate what you do? So what does that click do? You know, you want to buy, do you want to buy them in a right way? If man work, you are selling an iPhone converters, like for example fashion jewelry or some low involvement products, you are able to obtain mail subscription and gather some leads. Basically that is complex B2B products and expensive product, but each of your pages should have a conversion goal. So that should be used to define, start designing. So you can't expect your visitors to know what action they are supposed to take unless you don't know it yourself. So that is also an important factor. You have to gather a lot of data as well as resources. Creating a high converting website, it's not something that you can do it by yourself. You're going to need some humans and technological resources in order to develop that high converting website. You know, you'll be also needing some traffic of customers which are going to design from different parts of the world. So different parts of website, for example, human resources you will be required for web designing, for programming, for content expert, you know, for copywriting, for digital marketing. You're requiring human resources. You'll be requiring technology like hardware and software, for example plugin and analytics tools, etc., for website. And you'll be requiring a data for customer profiling, segmenting data, traffic and conversion data. So knowledge communication actually helps the client to build some high converting website, or optimizing the existing website to deliver as much 300% more conversions. So basically conversion is very important factor. You know, when people come on the websites and they actually buy something from your website, that is very important. So wherein this is how the revenues are going to come in. So knowledge communications is going to actually help to build a website that is going to be high converting website, that is going to actually, they are going to optimize it for making it as a high converting website. In the next slide we are going to look after the basics of creating website. Thank you.